Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a subscription in Shopify. So if you want to cancel your subscription, what you can do is you can head over right here to your name, which is the name of your store. From in there, just head over and click on this manage account option. And then from in here, it will open your Shopify account profile. So you can head over and scroll down, and here you can see all your stores. So you can head over and then just click on all your stores if you want, or if you want to actually switch to a new one that you want to actually cancel. So head over right here, and then in here you can see that I'm actually on trial. But if you don't have a trial right here and this doesn't actually show on you, just head over right here to your settings. And then in here you can see the plan. So click on plan right here and you can see this. Click on this cancel trial right here and then click on continue. Take note that if you cancel your trial, your store will also be able to be deleted. And you still have the files, but it will go unpublished. So that's how you cancel a trial or subscription in Shopify. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.